Welcome to the Metamora Castle. It's a creaky old gate. It's fine. It's fine. It's a good gate. Well, here we are. We just bought the Metamora Castle in Metamora, Indiana.
We've lost our minds.
We've lost our minds. This is it, the top of the hill. 800 feet up in the air. We're gonna do a walk around right now. It's all you, Alicia. Finally. Let's go ahead. I have to duck because I'm 6 foot. So immediately when you walk in, this is for donations. It's got a lock on the side. I don't have a key for it. Oh, interesting. Okay, all right. There's the confessional. We'll have to start. I can put those there. That is I. Huge bottle of cheap wine. Also one issue we have in here is the ground is a little wet. So that's the water damage we're dealing with over on this side. But beautiful up here. I'm gonna pause for a second, get this right, and then do a walk upstairs to this whole piano, or organ rather. So up here, the master bedroom. I turn the lights on. Oh yeah, look at this guy. It's too heavy. The Gen Zs couldn't pick it up. Balcony view. It's my water damaged floor. Sites are interesting. The previous groundskeeper of the property said there's no light bulbs. He thinks they're gas, but there's no gas running to the property. Mystery. It's classic. It's got a fan. Classic fan. It's maybe not my biggest fan, but it's one of them. It's on the runs. All right, here we go. We're just getting started. I'm gonna pause and start right back here just for sake of transferring these spots. Sorry, getting carried away. It's easy to get carried away. We're in the dungeon now. All you Grateful Dead fans out there. Yeah, Casey Jones behind this wall. Another door outside. See another beautiful view. Everywhere you go, it's on a hill. Oh, Alicia's in jail. Look at that. Fantasy mode unlocked. Okay, sorry. Downplay. All right, how do you open this thing? Uh-oh. Well, hold on. Did you shut it?
You're just joking.
Down the stairs.
There are lights. They're just not on. And to the potential office. Back to the dungeon. So there's our cage door.
My chance to get revenge.
Yeah. You've already shown me how to do it. So here we go. Big secret. Hey. All right now. Oh yeah. Okay. Lefty loosey. It's tricking the blade. All right. So yeah, what to say about this castle? There's a lot of words to say about this castle, but how we got here.
The entryway needs a lot of love.
Oh yeah, does it? My dog's already discovered there's an animal living underneath the porch, or this concrete pad rather.
This is going to need to be removed.
Oh, yeah.
But show them the hermitage.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
This is this is a hermitage, so
There's a few other.
just us up here now. I am a hermit.